And now the thing is, see there, see how I got 3 pedals? If you got 2, then you a fucking bitch. Fucking pedals, see that there? Just fucking bin it like that, yeah. And fucking dash it, bro. What a piece of shit. Fuck off.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are upgrading the pedals. Fucking hell, you can't. Look at them, Sadiq. Wait, am I missing one? Oh no, they're in there. We're gonna upgrade these because right now we're in December and pretty much fucking hell, my ass crack's showing. We're pretty much in December and like every day is cold, wet, damp, and it's just, I'm fucking sick or tired of pressing the clutch down and that making that rainy, you know what I mean, man. See that there? That's pure clutch, that. And now the thing is, see there, see how I got 3 pedals? If you got 2, then you a fucking bitch. Fag end on there. Right, what do we need to do, Sadiq? Oh fucking no. Come on, right, now these will be different. See how one's got a little nub on the thingy? That's your brake one. And then this is your clutch one. Magic. Magic, Sadiq. And then they got flaps here. Flaps on there. Right, let's start off with the thingy. Clutch one. Can you see, Sadiq, from there? Over there. So all they have is like little I think they got little grooves. Right, this has got a little thing in there. Hopefully they fit. They did say Mk6 thingies. Right, so see here, grab that and just fucking yank it off from the bottom. Like your cock. And see the little fucking holes? They were inside there. Have you got tissue here? Fuck cheeks. In there, so that purple one. Down there's that purple one, yeah. Give that a good old clean. So we're putting that there, them in first, and then we'll just hinge the bottom bit on. Yeah. It's the same, innit? Yeah, same look. Sick on there. Right, put them in there first. Oh wait. Right, that side's in. And then you got a hinge. We got a top layer as well on it. I think that's on that, bro. It's a bit. Got a bit of a play. But I think once you start using it, it'll fucking dig in. It won't come off. It's pushing down anyway. Ooh, sick on there. Oh, let me get a cheeky little thumbnail here, bro. Actually, let me open this one. This one's, you don't take anything off the driver's one. I think you just clip it on. I think so, because you can't take that off. Because that's one whole piece. That is, I think so. Fresh as in it, so we bred it. We bred it. Fucking hell, I just put this shit on it. Fucking shit. What are you thinking of a thumbnail, Sadiq? What do you think would be a good one? Fucking. Fucking hell, that car, yeah. Right, thumbnail done. And now, see, this has got a little nib. This is on the right side here. Yeah, see, fucking yank that. Yeah. Remove the bottom layer that's hinged on. And then, how does that come out? I think you push up. think, yeah, weird one that. Here's the same, innit? What do you think, see? Yeah? Same on there, yeah, it is same. Alright, so you pull it down. See how the hinge is there? It's got a little hinge there. So I think once you put the bottom bit in, it locks in forward, you push it down and it comes out. It's not hard. Yeah, I'll give it a good old click. And then pop that in. Middle bit first and then... Oh wait. That's in, but fucking weird this. I don't understand it. This fucking mashup. See how it goes fucking. So it has to sit all in there. It just doesn't want to. Maybe if I just put it on like a sock from the bottom. Oh, you fucking cockwobble. Oh, hey, I think this is the way. Just gotta push this in there. Get in there, get in there. Yeah, put it on from the bottom. Push it on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's in, that's in. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's on. So you gotta put it on like a sock. So you don't put that in, you put it from the bottom and then try and squeeze this into the hole. So now, see what this is then. Let's see how this goes on. And that just stays in there. I think so. And see, it's got hinges here. It's easy. Got hinges there, and it's got small hinges there. I think you put the small hinges in first, because a bit of here is made for the small hinges, and this side is as well, but I think you put the small hinges in first. I think so. Right, put that on there, maybe. That level. What about the bottom? There we are. Cool. See, the top bit's on. Top bit is on. Ah, you. What is the matter with this? Where is the top bit on now? Because the hinges stops here, turns into this rubber thing. Which is fucking weird. It makes no sense. It don't make no fucking sense, mate. That'll just come off. Because it's got hinges here, see them, for the bottom bit. But the bottom hasn't got anything to put on. This is just rubber here. This here has a little thing for the hinges to knock onto. Whereas the bottom is just nothing. So let me figure this out. I'll be back in 1 minute. What I'm doing is, see how this hinge, and then we've got this one here. but this one doesn't have anything to connect to. So what I'm gonna do is just straighten this one. Straighten it, because that one connects, these all connect, so it should work now. Hopefully. Hopefully it will work. The top bits all hinged on. Oh wait, that's too high. About get the bottom in fact. See the top bit's done. That's done. That's done. Oh, I'm afraid. So now I'm gonna push these hinges in. See what I'm doing? I'm just, because it's fucking rubber there, I'm just gonna get a light on my phone. 1 sec so you people can see. Turn that torch on, you daft cunt. Can you see that, Sadiq? See that that hinge there? Can you see it? Can you see in the camera?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's right there. The one that I just straightened, what I'm going to do is just going to fucking push that into the rubber bit and just dent it in. Push that into the rubber. And then this side. That hurt. Push it. Yeah, fucking shit that. See that there? See it, Sadiq? Are you recording this? Sadiq, you record this, you fucking shit guy.
I was recording the damn pedals.
Fucking, I'm not working on the fucking pedal. See that there? Just fucking bin it like that, yeah? And fucking dash it, bro. What a piece of shit. Fuck off. Yeah. See you in the next one.